Welcome back to Ichikraft video channel. Today I want to show you how to create lotus flowers. Yeah, Ichikraft lotus flowers. Like this one. You can see. This is all design, Ichikraft design, but actually this is our old design. But one of my customer asked me to recreate this design. So what we need here, we need three color. Yeah, I know. This is pink lotus, and in this video I'm going to create purple lotus. What we need here, double face satin ribbon, this one, double face satin ribbon, and this dark purple and light purple, both of them are single face satin ribbon. Today we are still using double face satin ribbon and single face satin ribbon, but in the future Ichikraft will use double face satin ribbon. Alright, let's get started. What you need here, you need white double face satin ribbon. The size here, the size is about 4 centimeters, and you need 8 pieces. Yeah, 8 pieces. And then you need a light purple. The size is about 4.5 centimeters, 4.5 centimeters, and you need 4 pieces. Next, you need dark purple. The size is about 4.5 centimeters, and you need 4 pieces. The last one, you need dark purple. The size is about 5 centimeters, and you need 8 pieces. Yeah, I will explain. If you want to know more detail about this, you can visit our blog. You can see, cut and shape the satin ribbon, both of them, single face, double face, white, dark purple, light purple. Cut and shape them into the same shape like this. Next step, you need to shape all of the petals into the same shape like this. Yeah, you can see same. You need a felt, purple felt with 3 centimeters diameters, 3 centimeters, you can see, and make the hole. Yeah, make the hole. Okay. And then you need green double face satin ribbon, apple green. Yeah, the size is about 12 centimeters. The leaves. First step, you need to join 4 petals, 4 pieces, and it is light purple. The size is about 4.5 centimeters. You need flower stamens. 2 flower stamens. Join them. Next step, you need to join dark purple. This one, 4 pieces. You can see dark purple 4 pieces. The size is about 4.5 centimeters. The next step, the last one, the last dark purple. Join 8 pieces, dark purple, yeah, 8 pieces, and I just join 4 pieces, 5 centimeters, yeah, 4 pieces, 5 centimeters. And join others. Yeah, I just join 8 pieces. The size is about 5 centimeters and it is dark purple color. Next step, join white petals, 8 pieces. You can stitch the pin or you just gluing, you just gluing these pins. Now the Ichikraft Lotus flower is ready, and this is purple lotus with the leaves, and this is a brooch. Yeah, you can visit my Etsy shop to know more about our design and other design. Yeah, and this one, a pink lotus. Alright, thank you so much for watching our video. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up and definitely subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.